Good afternoon mga palangga. For today's video is andito tayo ngayon sa likod. I-check natin yung kakao natin. So today is sobrang mainit yung panahon natin ng mga palangga. So naglinis nga pala kami ni Habi nung isang araw. So malinis yung ating paligid. So dito din, uy, ang daming kakao ng mga palangga. Yung iba nasira na. So, dito na tayo sa likod ng bahay. Naglinis kami. Yung isang araw, pinutol namin din yung yung mga banana. Hinarvest namin yung mga banana, mga palangga. Pero nga, sira pala yung yung cardaba. So, anyway, today, sobrang mainit yung ating panahon. Tagal natin hindi nakapag-upload ng vlog. Dahil sobrang busy natin, no? So, today, gusto kong kunin tong ating kakao. Sayang naman. Sobrang mainit pa naman yung panahon. So, tapos ditong mga palangga, last week ata yun, may natumba na kahoy sa kabila. Yan, kasi marami kasing puno o maraming kahoy-kahoy dito sa labas ng wall namin. So, ngayon mga palangga, ayan, sobrang malinis na ngayon kasi nga it's very hot. Ay, gustong-gusto ko talaga pupunta ng dagat. Was dito ng area din, naglinis kami, pero kailangan natin patuyuin. Yan, malinis na yung area natin dito. So, ayan. Hindi ko alam kung paano to. Siguro, kukunin natin yung fruit picker natin. Yun yung gagamitin natin sa pagkuha ng kakao. Kasi, ang dami ng kakao mga palangga. So, anyway, it's a beautiful day today. God is good all the time and all the time God is good. So, malinis na yung paligid natin. Kailangan lang natin itong i-burn na area dito. Ayan. Kasi, nilagay lang namin yung mga leaves nito, Pero, kailangan pa natin mag-burn doon. So, ayan. Today is very hot. See? Maganda to dito na area kasi pag hindi siya masyadong baha, ayan, makikita nyo talaga na malinis yung ating paligid dito. At saka, pinuto na namin yung kahoy dito kasi nga namatay yung kanyang leaves. So, mga palangga, wala na tayong mangga. Pero nilagyan ko yung mangga natin ng fertilizer dahil para mamunga na naman siya pang December natin. So, today is October. So, ayan. Pero meron pa siyang, namunga na siya, maliit lang. Pero yung malalaki nga mga palangga, pina-harvest ko na. At saka binigay ko din yung iba sa aunt ko. So, mga palangga, ito pala, ilaban na pala ito. Ito ay laban na. Tapos, ito, so, malinis na itong area na area, no? Nagwalis kami dito. Baka mamaya mag-burn. Tapos, yung natin, yung ating papaya. So, namunga na pala yung tinanim ko sa ground. I used to, I plant this papaya in the ground so that it will spread, no? The roots. Ayan, may maliliit na na mangga. So, I told you mga palangga, wala na siyang malalaki. Hindi pa tayo makaharvest kasi namunga na siya pero maliit lang. So, sobrang mainit. Gusto pa naman namin magpunta ng beach. Mulan pala kagabi. It's raining so hard yesterday and today. I just transfer all the plants here in this area. So, here's my chili. So, it's growing, our chili, no? This is our new that I plant. So, I used to transfer here because it's hot in this area. So, anyway, ayan, naglaban na pala yung aking mother. Naglaban na pala siya, oy. Ay, talaga itong mother ko, oy. Ay, na-catch. Hindi ko lang to. Dami nating nilabhan mga palangga. Tapos, So my mother is washing some of the clothes that I did not finish. And yeah. Yan na. So I have to finish everything here. Alis kami ni hubby. So we have a fruit picker here that we ordered last time. And then, yeah, later on mag-burn tayo ng leaves. We have to burn the leaves. And later, alis kami. We're going summer day. Kasi nga mga palangga, kailangan natin siya kailangan natin magpa-check up. I need to go to the doctor. And then, check up time. So, anyway, I do also the schedule for Derma too. So soon. Actually, our Derma will be this November. And then by December is we have also another schedule for my hubby, for his eye, and then yeah, not just for hubby, but I also. Hubby and I will go to the clinic for another schedule for eye check-up. So anyway, mga palangga, kakain muna tayo because it's already lunch. Kakain tayo yung ating ulam. So our lunch for today is... I forgot. Yesterday night, we just make some salsa with my husband. So we already made a lot of salsa in the jar and sealed it. And of course today, my mother is cooking some, escabeche. The fish escabeche. Escabeche, so good. Look at that. Ooh, so yummy. So anyway, kakain tayo ng lunch. And of course, we have also the banana. Meron tayong banana. You have banana? Because it's really good to eat when there's banana. And it's really source of potassium too. And yeah. So I'm gonna eat. Join me guys eating. Kakain tayo muna. Wow, what are you cooking there?
My meat.
Your meat? Oh really?
Yeah.
Wow, so good. Smells so good too, huh?
Perfecto. We're gonna watch.
So, kain tayong mga palangga. Meron tayong escabeche na fish. And I really love also escabeche with the dried fish. So, we have rice. As of course, we have rice. I really love to eat with escabeche with rice. As always, you know, Philippines really love fish. And every time we eat fish with rice. So, mga palangga, kain muna tayo, mga palangga. Kain. Honey, let's eat. Kain tayo, Han.
Perfect. Perfect consistency. I don't know about flavor yet. Okay. We'll be doing this here.
No, it's okay.
Why?
Very good.
Mm. Now I have to figure out.
Very good.
I just don't know where to get a gasket.
Like it. Yeah?
I don't know where to get a gasket.
We have gasket, but that's the wrong one.
Yeah, you can't get a gasket like that. You can't even order it.
Very good. I'm enjoying this food so good. Very, very good. Nice. Ah. Perfect. Today's another day. Today we are in here at the mall. Sasakay tayo ng escalator. Christmas na talaga dito ngayon mga pula. It's Christmas. Kasi nasulog all our
I know the guy that
escalator
those pianos. Yeah, he was old.
We are here now at SM. Christmas na talaga kasi may Christmas tree na. Dala lang kami ni Habi ngayon. Walk and walk.
Yeah, I don't think they'll have it here either. I don't understand. Why did they take out the gadgets?
I don't know.
Crazy.
Magtingin sana kami ng gadget. Tingin lang good tayo good. Tapos pull out na pala sila. I don't know if they have here. I don't think so. Tara.
This is where I bought my TV.
Palangga. Yan sabi ngayon. Christmas na Christmas here. Here ano? Picture na here on. Here, Tani! Here, oh, may 3D mga palangga. Hi! May asawa. Seryoso yung aking asawa ba? Yan na, tayo. Picture din sa 3D ngayon.
Let's go.
Look at the 3D. Ang aking asawa nag-una na. Meron tayong Starbucks. Shop. Aking asawa. Hi guys. Hello. Ano nagkadaling? Magkakilog kami ngayon ng palangga. Aking asawa. Oh, di ba naka bowling?
Jerry Bull.
Wow. Ano naka bowling?
Where?
By the cinema. Yeah, Lanang. Lanang, yeah. We're in Lanang right now. Yeah, there's a bowling. I want to try bowling mga palangga. I did not buy something for Matthew.
Not here.
Not here? Why? Toy Kingdom's good. Oh. Look at, oh, this is good for me.
Yeah, that's the only thing you're qualified for right now.
Yep. And dito yung cinema. Tapos pupunta daw kami ng bowling area. Tingnan natin where's the bowling area dito. That's good. Oh, hair bun for Christmas. Honey, can you see me? Can you
I want
see?
to put this in here.
Huh?
I don't want this hanging.
There isn't bowling. So let's go
I want
inside.
to see what the movies are.
Huh?
See what the movies are.
I don't know. Later na. So, go. Mag-bowling tayo mga palangga because I want to try some bowling. Sabi ko kay Habi, punta tayo sa blog, mag-bowling tayo. Let's go bowling because I never tried bowling before.
Here's Anytime Fitness in SM.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, tara, let's
Can't
go.
believe it.
Ito yung theater. Ang aking asawa ay naglalakad-lakad na. Exercise, Han.
It's not a very big
Anytime Fitness.
It's not big.
This is also good for kids. Children's Park. Wow. See?
It's not very big.
Wait, Han. Here's the bowling now. Yay!
Nandito na tayo sa bowling area.
Very big alley.
Fine.
Very big alley.
I don't know how much is it. For their bowling. So, meron tayong weekend holiday, 170, weekday, 160, shoe rental, 50. Ayan, mga billiards at saka yung table tennis. Ah, okay, mega ride. Not bad. Akala ko mag-bowling kami ng aking asawa. Sabi niya, next time na lang daw kami mag-ano kasi gusto niya kakain na ako. Pakainin mo muna ako dahil naglinya kayo sa clinic. Gagalit na natin sa clinic mga palangga. Tapos sobrang hangin ang sabi mo. So, anyway, let's go.
Yep, they can go out. We can go get the escalator right there. Oh, you gotta eat. You have to eat.
Yeah. Dadaan lang tayo dito sa bowling kasi hindi tayo pwede mag-bowling. Hindi na tayo pwede mag-bowling ngayon. Hindi tayo mag-bowling ngayon.
This is for taking pictures.
Yeah, sabi na aking asawa, next time na lang. Dahil gabi na kasi, kakagaling kasi namin sa clinic, tapos matagal tayong naglinya doon sa clinic. So, next time na lang, pag may time na tayo, pwede na tayo mag-bowling. Gala-gala. Anyway, mga palangga. Honey, can I close the...
Very mild.
Like it, the view there. Can I take a picture of you?
Where?
Look at... We have a complimentary tea. This is really good. How is it? How is it, the taste?
Okay, very mild.
Okay.
Almost like
Let
water.
me na. I'm gonna cover the camera. So we have a complimentary tea. Good.
See, I told you it was very mild.
Very mild. So good. Hi! Meron tayong lemon. Tapos, oh, they got chili. I like it. Then we have a soy sauce. Oh, nakakasip mahulog. I like it. Look at our chili. Lemon. Iyak tayo later kasi sobrang maanghang ito. Then, we have fish fillet. Thank you. We have fish fillet. Chow chow. Hot. A little bit like fish fillet. Then we have to take out the bit na I like it. Ooh.
I'm praying
We
for
have
you.
a
Under all you feel. I'm already there.
shark's fin. So, let's eat na. We have tea. Ano? You're not just pose, just like that lang. This is vegetable rice. We have vegetable rice. We have a shark's fin. Where's my face? Okay, my face.
Yeah.
Then I have a fish fillet. Wow, I like it. I did not eat pork. Amazing, huh?
Amazing.
I got fish fillet. I like it. So before that, we have to pray first. Oh. Spicy. Yeah. It's a
That's the other side.
Wow. Are you sure? That's not AI.
Well,
I don't think so. Hold on. Very good. My mouth is so spicy now. This one looks like they have shrimp.
in the right?
How about yeah?
Maybe.
I like this one. You wanna? You don't eat fried chicken. How they gonna do this? How they touch the
They
fried?
cut the fin off of it. You can't survive without fin. I've never eaten first. They throw them back in the water and then they get down.
That's gonna hurt, right?
Hurt?
No, cucumber. So it's a shark skin. It's a shark skin. Nice.
So, ayan mga palangga, grabe nating kain dyan, no? Kasi nag-enjoy tayo sa food. Kasi sobrang sarap pa naman ng yung frank chow fan nila mga palangga. Plus spicy chili. And then, meron tayong dumplings dyan. So, ako nakapag-usap sa inyo dahil nga nasarapan tayo sa pagkain. Enjoy na enjoy talaga tayo, no? Sa ating dinner. So, mga palangga, nakikita nyo dyan, di na kumain yung aking husband dahil nga ay busog daw siya. So, nag-inom na lang siya ng tea at nag-enjoy naman tayo sa food.
So mga palangga, today is nandito na kami sa bahay ngayon mga palangga, no? So gabi na pala mga palangga. So gabi na pala kami nakauwi mga palangga. So galing kami ng clinic din mga palangga dahil nga ay nagpa-check up tayo mga palangga, no? So mga palangga, yung pina-check up lang natin mga palangga is yung throat ko mga palangga. Pina-check up ko to mga palangga dahil nga ay sometimes yung voice ko pawala-wala. So, kailangan natin siyang ipa-check up kung ano na nangyari dito sa throat natin. So, kailangan natin siyang ipa-check up. So, kahit maaga pa, para maagapan. So, okay naman yung ating result. Kailangan din nila na ipa-ultrasound na naman ako, mga palangga, after 6 months. So, ayan mga palangga, dasal-dasalan din tayo mga palangga. So, anyway mga palangga, dito na kami ng aking asawa. Uhaw na yung aking asawa, oh. Kasi nga mga palangga, nagbas lang din kami. So, nakauwi na kami. Then it's dinner time. So, kakain muna kami mga palangga dahil nga ay ako'y nagutom. So, since already 7 o'clock na rin mga palangga, so, kailangan na din natin kumain ng dinner. So, mga palangga, super tiring yung ating natin ngayon, no? Ang aking baby na si Mikay. Na-miss niya ako. Well, I miss you. I miss you, my baby. No, na-miss ako. Si Mikay to, mga palangga, ang aking baby. So, anyway, mga palangga, nagbili din kami ng bones
ng beef bones para sa aking mga doggy. Then, yeah, sobrang puno ng bus na sinasakyan natin dahil nga ay Monday today. And then, yeah, galing tayo ng clinic, pero God is good all the time. I can say that God is good all the time. So, ipa-ultrasound na naman ako mga palangga. Dahil nga ay, after 6 months daw, sabi ng doktor. So, okay tayo. I declare na okay tayo mga palangga. So, kailangan din natin na, na alagaan din yung ating sarili para hindi tayo magkasakit. So, anyway, mga palangga, I do believe that the Lord will heal us. The Lord will give us strength. And I know that the joy of the Lord is my strength. I do believe that He is good to me from the beginning and until the end. So, mga palangga, kakain muna tayo dahil gutom na talaga tayo mga palangga, no? So, thank you so much for watching to my vlog. Please do subscribe, leave a comment down below, and of course, click the notification bell. So, thank you so much mga palangga. God bless you. Ang aking doggy, oh. Ay, uy, ogay man ni mami, uy. Ayan ang aking palangga na si Mikay. Sobrang bait nito ni Kiki. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.